Hello traders, welcome again today. So for a quick one, I want us to analyze the chart. And also, we all know that tomorrow is NFP day. So an NFP, a lot of people we make money, a lot also lose money, which category are you going to fall in tomorrow? So, but before that, I want us to analyze this chart this moment, and also for us to see exactly what we are expecting tomorrow, what is going to happen tomorrow. So then if this is your first time of coming to this channel or maybe watching my video, do well to subscribe. So for everyone, we are on USD right now. So I'm going to play off this chart, this analysis. Okay. So we have a clean chart now. So what does this mean? Let's go on daily time frame and see what market is printing. So on daily time frame, you see the market has been bullish. See the market has been bullish. You see, has been moving up. So with this, at least you can confirm the trend. There is an uptrend, but we don't use trend line. But basically, I'm using it to confirm the trend. So what are we expecting next? So, but if you can see, you see very clear the market have changed character at this point. Sorry, market have changed character at this point. So we have a change of character here. We have a change of character here. And on this higher time frame, which is 4 hours, I'm expecting market to come to this point. I'm expecting market to get to this point, right? Yeah, because for market to change the character, having an inducement here, engineered inducement, the possibility for market to take it out and react to this point. So I'm expecting something like this to happen, come up here before going down. So it might actually go down, self to this point by reacting like this. So, but we're on daily time frame. Let's go down on daily time frame. This is what I'm actually looking out for a daily time frame. I expect market to come to this point. So here is our POI, our point of interest, is the resistance zone. So let me call it sell zone. Let me call it sell zone. Here is an engineered liquidity, which is in the inducement. So okay, you see after market change this character here, it's been moving up. So what are we actually expecting tomorrow? If you look very well, you see that we have a liquidity sweep by this down here. To make it clear and simple, liquidity sweep, leaving that place here as a protected low. And what happened on protected low, on protected areas, point of interest, is when market sweep a liquidity before breaking a structure, you see after sweeping the liquidity, it broke this structure right here, indicating that we are still moving up. So I'm expecting the market to first of all come down to this place because it's protected, and I will enter for a buy if market come down to this point. So, but since tomorrow is NFP, I have to wait after the NFP news and see what market is printing. And see what market is printing. Now consider to enter. So let's go down to 1 hour time frame so that it will be more clear to us. So you see, we have a liquidity sweep by this point. We have a break of structure here. So where our inducement? That's the question. Here can serve as our inducement. Here can serve as our inducement. So I'm still expecting market to come here to sweep this low. Yeah, sweep this low. That will enter for a buy at this point. So if you see, we have been having a resistance zone right here. So I'm expecting market to get to that point. Yeah. So and break it. I'm expecting market to break it. So this is what I'm actually expecting before coming to here and reacting towards the downside. So first of all, we have to look on a higher time frame to see what market have for us before now considering what's going to happen on a lower time frame. So for me, I'm expecting buy by tomorrow if markets sweep this inducement right here. So, but if market did not actually sweep this inducement, but it might actually come back, sweep this inducement, and push forward to this zone. So just know that anything that makes market to get to this zone right here is likely to sell. Here is a sell zone, like I said, okay, sell zone. So remember, on a higher time frame, this is higher time frame 4 hours. So this zone right here is a sell point. So I'm expecting market to come down to this point. Here is a point to buy. So I'll be deleting this so that it will be more clear and easy to understand. So this is it, guy. This is it, guys. If market might actually sell tomorrow, here is the point where market will buy. So let's wait till tomorrow and see what happens. Quick one on GU. Quick one on GU. You see, we all know that on Tuesday of this week, uh, GBP currency pair actually moved as if there was a fundamental backing it up, but there was no fundamental backing it up. No one knows the reason. I don't know. Maybe they have some maybe challenges or maybe a news in their country, England or something, that moves market to that level. So but for now, I'm still looking forward for market to push forward to this toppest area before selling because we have an inducement right here. You see that we have a change of character here already. Have a change of character here already. So you have to be patient enough. So I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell, yeah. I'm also expecting a sell by this point. But on Euro USD, we have the buy before the sell. But let's see how market plays tomorrow before we now decide what to do next. Thank you. Please subscribe, oh, please. Very, very important. If you subscribe, we'll be doing videos like this, be running analysis all the time.